Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where smart Android tricks become easy for everyone. Want to switch between 2G, 3G, 4G, or 5G on your Android phone? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change your preferred network type step by step. Step 1. Open Phone Settings. Unlock your Android device and launch the Settings app. This is where all mobile network and SIM controls are located. Step 2. Go to SIM and Network Settings. Scroll down and tap SIM and Network Settings from the menu. On some phones, this may appear as Mobile Network or Connections. Step 3. Select your SIM card. Tap the SIM name you want to configure for mobile data or calls. This is important if your phone has dual SIM support enabled. Step 4. Open Preferred Network. Type Find and tap Preferred Network Type inside the SIM Settings section. You'll now see multiple network mode options available on your device. Before we continue, tap subscribe and stay updated with powerful Android tips and easy mobile tutorials from Preyo Phonie. Step 5. Choose Network Mode. Select the network option that fits your needs and carrier support. Available options may include 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE, 5G, Auto Mode, or LTE preferred. Step 6. Confirm the selection. Tap OK or Apply if your device asks for confirmation. Your phone will instantly switch to the selected network mode. Step 7. Test signal and internet speed. Wait a few seconds for the network to reconnect properly. You can now check call quality, signal strength, or internet performance. Boom! Now you know how to change your Android network type like a pro, so subscribe for more smartphone guides every day.